Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon hit Earth? Let's come with us to find out. The moon is our closest neighbor in space and a constant companion in the night sky. It stabilizes the Earth's rotation, influences the tides, and inspires wonder and curiosity. But what if this natural satellite suddenly crashed into our planet? What would be the consequences of such a cataclysmic event? The cause of the collision. There are many possible scenarios that could cause the moon to hit Earth, but none of them are very likely. One possibility is that a massive asteroid or another celestial body could collide with the moon and knock it out of its orbit. Another possibility is that the moon could slowly spiral towards Earth due to tidal forces. However, both of these scenarios would take a very long time to happen and would probably be prevented by other factors. The most realistic way for the moon to hit Earth is if it suddenly stopped orbiting and fell straight down. This would require an enormous amount of energy and force, such as a powerful explosion or a mysterious gravitational anomaly. This is very unlikely to happen, but for the sake of this vlog, let's assume it does. The impact of the crash. If the moon stopped orbiting and fell towards Earth, it would take about 4 days to reach us. During this time, we would see the moon grow larger and larger in the sky, until it filled our entire field of vision. The gravitational pull of the moon would also increase, causing extreme tides, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. When the moon finally hit Earth, it would be traveling at about 11 kilometers per second, 6.8 miles per second. The impact would release more energy than all the nuclear weapons ever detonated, creating a huge fireball and a shockwave that would circle the globe several times. The collision would also break the Earth into chunks, some of which would be ejected into space, while others would fall back down. The debris from the crash would form a thick layer of dust and rocks around the Earth, blocking out most of the sunlight and creating a global winter. The temperature would drop drastically, killing most plants and animals. The atmosphere would also be filled with toxic gases and particles, making it hard to breathe. The only way to survive would be to leave Earth or find shelter underground. The future of the planet. If the moon hit Earth, it would be a devastating event that would wipe out most life on our planet. However, it would not necessarily mean the end of everything. Over time, some of the debris from the crash could coalesce into a new moon or moons, restoring some stability to the Earth's rotation and climate. Some life forms could also adapt to the harsh conditions and evolve into new species. However, even if life managed to survive and recover from the moon crash, it would face another challenge in the far future. The sun is gradually getting hotter and brighter, and in about 1 billion years, it will make Earth too hot for liquid water to exist. By then, the moon will have moved farther away from Earth due to tidal forces anyway. So whether the moon hits Earth or not, our planet's fate is ultimately sealed by our star. Conclusion. The moon is an important part of our planet's history and ecology. It is very unlikely that it will ever hit Earth, but if it did, it would cause a massive disaster that would destroy most life on our planet. The only hope for survival would be to escape or hide from the aftermath. However, even without a moon crash, Earth will eventually become uninhabitable due to the sun's evolution. Therefore, we should appreciate and protect our planet and our moon while we can. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more fascinating videos like this one. And as always, keep exploring the wonders of our world.